Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome everyone to an enlightening episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked, where we delve into the strategies that help you keep more of your hard-earned money. With tax season looming around the corner, it's easy to feel lost in the maze of deductions, liabilities, and paperwork. However, today we're going to simplify the often intimidating world of taxes with effective strategies for proactive tax planning. To kick things off, let's talk about the importance of proactive tax planning. Many people, both individuals and small business owners alike, often fall into the trap of thinking about taxes only during the busy tax season. But here's a little secret. Tax planning should be a year-round activity. Why wait until the last minute to stress over your tax returns when you can take advantage of strategies that reduce your tax liability throughout the year? By planning ahead, you can not only manage your taxes more effectively, but also potentially reduce the total amount owed. Now on to some common misconceptions about tax preparation and planning. One major misconception is that tax is mainly reactive, a once-a-year task that must be completed. However, nothing could be farther from the truth. Tax is indeed a year-round endeavor, and viewing it through a proactive lens allows you to make better financial decisions that align with your personal or business goals. Another common myth is that hiring a tax professional is only for the wealthy or those with complicated finances. In reality, a good tax advisor can offer valuable insights into maximizing deductions and crafting a plan beneficial to anyone, regardless of their financial status. I'd like to share a couple of case studies to highlight effective tax strategies in action. Consider Jane, a graphic designer who operates as a sole proprietor. Jane initially did her own taxes to save money, but found she was often hit with high tax bills and penalties for underestimating her quarterly payments. After consulting with a tax planner, Jane learned how to better estimate her taxes, contribute to a solo 401k for future savings, and take advantage of home office deductions, all reducing her tax liability significantly. In another case, Mike, who runs a local cafe, sought guidance after hearing about changes in tax legislation affecting small businesses. Armed with valuable counsel, he was able to leverage new tax credits available for energy-efficient upgrades, which eased both his tax burdens and his operational costs. It's key to understand that tax planning isn't just about filling out forms correctly. It's about knowing which deductions and credits you're eligible for. You should always identify potential deductions, like education and medical expenses or business-related travel, and understand how they can be utilized to your benefit. Similarly, credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit can result in substantial savings if you're eligible. One of the often overlooked aspects of tax management is keeping track of estimated tax payments. For freelancers, contractors, and business owners, paying estimated taxes throughout the year is crucial to avoid penalties. The strategy is to maintain a clear understanding of your income and expenses so that you can make accurate quarterly payments. It can be helpful to use accounting software to keep everything organized and ensure that you're not paying more than you have to. Another fundamental part of tax planning is maintaining accurate records. This is not only beneficial if you're audited, but also helps ensure you don't miss out on any tax benefits. Keep all documents, receipts, invoices, account statements neat and organized. With proper record keeping, you and your tax advisor can more efficiently analyze your financial situation and better prepare your returns. Changes in tax legislation can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. A seasoned tax professional can help you stay abreast of changes and adjust your strategies accordingly. Whether it's updates to tax brackets, deduction limits, or new credits available, these changes can have a significant impact on your tax strategy. There are distinct benefits to working with a professional tax preparer or planner. Not only do they bring expertise in navigating the complexities of tax codes, but they can also suggest strategies that you might not have considered or had access to on your own. A professional's insights could aid in moving from annual tax dread to more mindful financial management, resulting in greater peace of mind and possibly more savings. As we look ahead, there are essential steps to prepare for the next tax season and avoid unexpected surprises. Start by reviewing your current financial situation and identifying areas where you can improve. Make a conscious effort to develop a standing strategy that accommodates your situation, be it contributing more to retirement plans or capitalizing on less commonly known deductions. Keep in contact with your tax advisor to ensure you're on the right track and make adjustments as legislation changes or new opportunities present themselves. Before we close, let me encourage you to shift your mindset. Instead of viewing tax season as a dreaded event, consider it an opportunity to take charge of your financial destiny proactively. With strategic planning and the help of a qualified professional, you can face tax season with confidence and possibly a lighter financial load. Thank you for joining us today on Tax Smarts Unlocked. I hope our discussion provided you with valuable insights into transforming your tax approach from reactive to proactive. Whether you're an individual or a small business owner, I firmly believe that understanding these strategies can lead to better financial management and fewer surprises come tax time. Keep tuning in for more expert advice on navigating your financial landscape, reducing your tax burdens, and taking control of your financial future. Until next time, this is David Robson signing off. Have a great day.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services. Each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.